How can an attorney help preserve evidence for you if you're in a collision with an 18-wheeler? Here's Texas attorney Alan Robertson's answer in this AskTheLawyers.com quick question.
You may be able to take pictures following a wreck with an 18-wheeler. However, you're not going to have access to vehicle downloads, crash data, all of these things that modern automobiles and 18-wheelers, tractor-trailers, have on board. We have access to experts who are experienced with downloading and interpreting this data so that you can determine who's at fault for your collision.